The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal slashed to about rupees 217 crore the Competition Commission of India's rupees 936 crore penalty imposed on Google parent Alphabet Inc. The appellate tribunal partly allowed Google's appeal against the October 2022 order, ruling that US tech major had indeed misused its dominant position in Android mobile app market but not agreeing with all directions issued by CCI. CCI had found discrimination in tech giants' policy of charging third-party apps a 15 to 30% service fee through the Google Play billing system on Play Store transactions, while its own app YouTube used another payment processing method. We are satisfied that no allegation of discrimination can be held, NCLAT said. Penalty imposed on Google for turnover of last three preceding years of rupees 936.44 crore is modified to amount of rupees 216.69 crore. It sent its order directing payment within 30 days. Google has already deposited 10% of this amount. However, appellate tribunal held that mandating app developers to process payments through GPBS on Play Store for in-app purchases after app is bought or app purchases is discriminatory. Tribunal upheld the Commission's decision that stated the conduct of Google constitutes an imposition of unfair condition on app developers, abuse of its dominant position through imposing unfair or discriminatory conditions. NCLAT reasoned that Google Play payments as part of GPBS form less than 1% with respect to payments made through UPI. While more than 99% market of payment through UPI is open and available, it does not appeal to reason that Google has limited or restricted technical or scientific development. It observed that Google itself was using third party payment processors for its own apps, such as YouTube, and therefore Commission's finding of appellant being dominant in App Store market has caused denial of market access to payment processors and aggregators is unsustainable.